Plato in ancient Greek was pronounced as ʻplá.tɔːn. The long la with the rising pitch and the long on can be considered as alarm sounds. La, la. As they share acoustic features with distress sounds such as cries, screams, and moans. These types of sounds are common in ancient Greek, and they raise the focus and sense of urgency in the ancient Greek population. And with this underlying drive and focus, as well as with their creativity and innovativeness, due to the musical nature of their language, the ancient Greeks were able to develop the most advanced ancient civilization on which the Romans and later the Western modern civilization was based.